Right, I'm doing a search here, model diesel engine starter. Now I'm doing this because I have 3D printed a model diesel engine starter out. I printed it on a 3D printer. There's a, bit of plastic, obviously it's plastic because that's what 3D printers do it in, but there's a clockwork spring in it. Doesn't use electric motor like this one. But this one I wanted to show you. Look at that, right? Let's zoom in on this a bit. Okay, now what does it say? £9.32. Let's click on it. And it takes a bit, I think, for this page to load. And there it is there. £52.79. £52.79.